Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the exact Google account whose phone you want to change. Once signed in, go straight to Manage your Google account, then open Personal Info and tap Phone. You need the new mobile at hand because Google sends a verification code. This prevents mistakes and secures the account. Make sure two-step verification status and recovery email are visible, because changing a number can trigger security checks. Start now so you don't get interrupted mid-change. Next, add the new number by selecting Add Phone or Edit on the phone row. You will be prompted to choose SMS or call. Pick whatever delivers faster in your area. Enter the number exactly, including country code, because formatting errors block verification. Google sends a one-time code. Enter it immediately. Codes expire quickly. Once verified, Google links the number for recovery and alerts. If you see prompts about two-step or device prompts, follow them to complete authentication. Finish by confirming the new number appears under Phone, and only after verification, remove the old number to avoid confusion. Once done, test recovery by initiating a password reset or signing out and using the new number for a prompt. This ensures everything works. If SMS verification fails, make sure mobile reception and network settings are correct. Alternatively, use backup codes, an authenticator app, or your recovery email to regain access. If problems persist, wait a few minutes and retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.